Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use variables in Make in 2026. Variables allow you to store information temporarily and reuse it throughout your automation, making your scenarios more flexible and efficient. Let's get started. First, open your web browser, visit the Make website, and sign in to your account. From the dashboard, open an existing scenario or create a new one where you want to use variables. Next, add the modules that will generate the data for your workflow. Then click the plus icon and search for the Tools app, where you'll find options for working with variables. Now select the Set Variable module. Enter a name for your variable and map the value you want to store from a previous module, such as text, numbers, dates, or other dynamic data. Next, add another module where you want to reuse that information. In the Mapping panel, select the variable you created instead of entering the value manually. This allows the same data to be used in multiple places throughout your scenario. If needed, update the variable later in the workflow by adding another Set Variable module with a new value. This is useful when your automation changes based on different conditions. Once everything is configured, click Run once to test the scenario. Verify that the variable stores the correct information and is passed successfully between modules. Finally, save your scenario and turn it on so your automation can use variables automatically during every execution. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use variables in Make step by step. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this.